The Limitation Act of 1963 is an important law in India. It sets time limits for filing lawsuits. This means that a person can't wait forever to take legal action. The Act applies to a wide range of legal issues. This includes disputes over property, contracts, and personal injuries. The Act aims to ensure fairness and prevent stale claims. It also helps courts manage their caseloads efficiently. Imagine someone bumped your car and caused damage a year ago. You can't sue them today. The law says you had to act sooner. This is the essence of the Limitation Act. It prevents old disputes from resurfacing after years of silence. The Act applies throughout India. It covers civil cases, not criminal ones. Criminal cases have their own separate rules for time limits. The Limitation Act is crucial for maintaining a balance in the legal system. The Limitation Act doesn't punish anyone for being wronged. It simply states that if you wait too long to seek a legal remedy, the courts may not be able to help you. The idea is to encourage prompt action and prevent evidence from being lost or memories fading over time. This ensures that justice is served efficiently and fairly. To grasp the Limitation Act, it's vital to understand its key terms. The plaintiff is the person filing the lawsuit. The defendant is the person being sued. The applicant is someone making a formal request to a court. The period of limitation is crucial. It's the time limit within which a legal action must be initiated. This period varies depending on the type of claim. For example, the limitation period for a contract breach might be different from that of a property dispute. Understanding these terms is the first step towards navigating the complexities of the Act. It allows individuals to determine their rights and obligations within the legal system. It's always recommended to consult with a legal professional for specific guidance on your situation. The Limitation Act specifies different time limits for various legal actions. For instance, a lawsuit for recovering a debt typically has a limitation period of 3 years. This means that the lender has 3 years from the date of default to sue the borrower for non-payment. However, the time limit for filing a lawsuit for possession of immovable property is 12 years. This longer duration recognizes the complexities and higher stakes involved in property disputes. The Act also provides specific timeframes for appeals against court judgments and orders. These periods ensure that legal disputes are addressed promptly, while also providing a reasonable window for individuals to seek justice. It's crucial to remember that exceeding these deadlines can have significant consequences. Calculating the limitation period accurately is crucial. The clock starts ticking from the day the right to sue arises. This means the day the contract is breached, the property is encroached upon, or the injury occurs. However, specific situations might pause or extend this period. For instance, if the person entitled to sue is a minor or mentally incapacitated, the period begins when the disability ceases. Similarly, fraudulent concealment of facts by the defendant can also extend the limitation period. Understanding when the limitation period starts and ends is essential for filing timely legal actions. It's advisable to consult with a legal professional to determine the precise time frame applicable to your case, as miscalculating the limitation period can have detrimental consequences. Section 5. Exceptions to the limitation period. While the Limitation Act sets firm deadlines, it also acknowledges exceptional circumstances. If the plaintiff can demonstrate a genuine reason for the delay, the court may consider their case. For example, if someone was unaware of the fraud committed against them, they might still be allowed to file a lawsuit even after the standard limitation period. Similarly, if the court was closed on the last day of the limitation period, the lawsuit might still be accepted the next working day. These exceptions ensure that the Act doesn't become a tool for injustice. They provide a safety net for those who, due to unforeseen circumstances, couldn't exercise their legal rights within the stipulated time frame. Section 6. Practical examples of the act in action. Let's say a shopkeeper sold defective goods to a customer. The customer has a right to sue for compensation. However, the Limitation Act dictates that they must do so within a specific period, say 2 years from the date of purchase. If they wait longer than 2 years, their right to sue might be lost. In another scenario, imagine a property boundary dispute between neighbors. One neighbor might have encroached on the other's land. The aggrieved party has a limited time frame to initiate legal action to reclaim their property. Delaying this action could weaken their claim and make it difficult to prove their case. These examples highlight how the Limitation Act plays out in real-life situations, emphasizing the need for prompt action in legal matters. By setting these deadlines, the Act encourages the timely resolution of disputes and prevents unnecessary delays in the pursuit of justice. Section 7. Implications for common legal matters. The Limitation Act significantly impacts various legal areas. In property disputes, exceeding the limitation period might result in the loss of ownership rights. Similarly, in contract breaches, delayed action can weaken the claim for damages. Consumer protection cases also fall under the Act's purview. Consumers must act within the prescribed time limit to seek redressal for defective products or deficient services. Failing to do so can result in forfeiting their right to compensation or replacement. Understanding the Act's implications in these areas is vital for protecting one's rights and seeking timely legal remedies. It underscores the need for awareness and proactive legal consultation to avoid losing out on potential legal claims. Section 8. Importance of timely legal action. The Limitation Act underscores the importance of acting swiftly when legal rights are infringed upon. Delaying legal action can have severe consequences. It could lead to the dismissal of the case, leaving the aggrieved party with no recourse. Furthermore, crucial evidence might be lost, memories might fade, and witnesses may become unavailable over time, making it difficult to build a strong case. This underscores the need to seek legal counsel promptly when a legal issue arises. Timely action ensures that legal disputes are addressed while the evidence is fresh and witnesses are readily available. This allows for a fairer and more efficient resolution process, upholding the principles of justice and accountability. Section 9. Seeking legal advice. Navigating the intricacies of the Limitation Act can be daunting for those unfamiliar with legal complexities. Seeking advice from a qualified legal professional is paramount. A lawyer can help determine the relevant limitation period for a specific case. They can also guide individuals on gathering and preserving evidence, drafting legal documents, and representing them effectively in court. Early consultation with a lawyer can significantly impact the outcome of a case. Engaging legal counsel ensures that individuals understand their rights and obligations under the law. It empowers them to make informed decisions and navigate the legal system with confidence, increasing their chances of a favorable outcome. Section 10. Conclusion. Navigating legal deadlines. The Limitation Act of 1963 is a cornerstone of the Indian legal system. It ensures that legal claims are brought within a reasonable time frame, promoting fairness and efficiency in dispute resolution. Understanding the Act's provisions, including the concept of limitation periods, exceptions, and the importance of timely action, is crucial for anyone seeking legal recourse. Remember, justice delayed can sometimes feel like justice denied. While the Act provides a framework, every case is unique. Seeking professional legal advice is always recommended to navigate its complexities effectively and protect your rights.